If you're one of the many people who don't like liquid glass in iOS 26, there's now more options to minimize the glassy look if you've updated to the latest 26.4 version. Let's take a look. First, we'll go to Settings, and from there tap Accessibility. And within that menu, we'll go to Display and Text Size. Here you'll have a bunch of display-related controls, and you can use things like the Reduce Transparency toggle to minimize some of the glassy look. That one basically removes the transparent glass parts and replaces them with solid blocks of color. Looks kinda ugly if you ask me. That setting was there before, but the newer options are down below. The first new option is called Reduce Bright Effects. This one stops those bright flashes and highlights when you tap buttons or type on the keyboard. The other new settings, and this is the one I kinda like more, is in the Motion settings. We'll go back to the Accessibility menu, and from there you'll tap Motion. On the very top, you'll see a toggle for Reducing Motion. This changes a handful of things. For example, opening and closing apps won't show them zooming in and out on your screen anymore. It also affects some parts where the glassy liquid glass effects would distort the background of your phone. If you keep your eyes on that app library search bar, you'll see how it has kind of a smooth, blurry, transparent look now. The icons behind the bar remain symmetric, and they don't get distorted. If I go back and toggle off the Reduced Motion setting, you'll see how that changes. The apps are zooming in and out again, and that search bar now does the standard distortion that liquid glass launched with. It's blending the background, trying to replicate how a real thick piece of glass would look. So, a few more options for those who hate the liquid glass look. Of course, there's the old tinted option as well, which you'll find under the display and brightness settings. If you toggle on the tinted look together with everything else I mentioned, you're pretty close to eliminating liquid glass completely. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.